Since 1980, more than 580,000 square kilometers of the Amazon rainforest have been destroyed in Brazil. As a result of deforestation is the endangerment of the largest, most iconic cat living in the Americas today, the jaguar. While jaguars live in 18 countries in Latin America, their future is severely threatened, leading to illegal hunting and the loss of their wild prey. Jaguars inhabited a vast range, from the southwest USA through Mexico and into South America. However, the jaguars have now vanished from 50% of the range it occupied in 1900. In most areas, the jaguar population has decreased because of human activity in their habitats. As population expanded in Latin America, trees were cleared for agriculture and cattle grazing. Roads and highways were cut through forests, and towns and new farms were built. Now, more than ever, the Amazon forest is threatened by slash and burn logging, new settlements, and hydroelectric dams. Because jaguars need thick forests, dense bush and grass, as well as access to sufficient prey supply, it now has fewer places to hunt and hide. Dams, which are used for energy for electrical power, have also played a huge role in the jaguar's endangerment. In 1990, a dam flooded 486,000 acres of grassland, displacing jaguars. Even though jaguars serve as national symbols for some Latin American countries, many people live in fear and are intolerant of this wild cat. Jaguars continue to be hunted by ranchers, who view them as a threat to cattle. The jaguar is battling the clock. Brazil's population grew from 54 million people in 1950 to 166 million people in 1998 and is expected to reach 244 million people in 2050. Population growth increases the demand for electricity and fuel, and an increase in the development of roads, farms, and cities, which all threaten the jaguar's habitat. In order to stop the jaguar from becoming extinct, the public needs to be aware that there are many organizations to help. Panthera and National Geographic have teamed up in the conservation of the wildcats. Panthera not only has partnerships with national and local governments and conservation organizations, but it more importantly focuses on community outreach to help local communities find solutions to living with jaguars, improve livestock husbandry, and to reduce conflicts with jaguars. Deforestation is responsible for up to 20% of greenhouse gas emissions, more than planes, trains, and cars combined. In order to prevent deforestation, buy only from companies that have an environmentally friendly purchasing policy. As a consumer, ask questions about how the products you buy can impact the forests. Educate your friends, family, and community about how our actions here can impact forests thousands of miles away and the endangered animals in them. Jaguars are one of the biggest victims of deforestation in dams and are a primary example of how our selfish mistakes as humans will likely have an effect on this endangered wildcat.